Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of our discussion is why choose software as your field. I think besides valuable fields like mechanical, electrical, civil, etc., why software can be preferred to such an extent, or how? If I'm saying how, so how are you're gonna believe me? I'm gonna tell you that these are the reasons. So what are the reasons? For example, I know it's not clear to you. Let me clear it with the help of an example. For example, a person graduated from university who has chosen software as the field and now he has been graduated. Now after graduation, what will be the aim of that person? The aim of that person, the goal of that person, the target of that person will be to be hired only in the job which contains the elements of software engineering. Means the dream job of that person is that I will join an occupation or a job which contains software engineering or software designing or software technology because I have graduated from the university or from the department of software. So today we are going to highlight that due to what reasons software is a field that can be preferred too much. And it's not only that I am preferring it to you. The world, you can see the advancement in modes of communication, the advancement in modes of technology, the advancement in modes of transport, the advancement in buying online and selling products, manufacturing. Everything is going beyond our thinking and is the advancement in technology. The basic reason is that technology is getting advanced. But before coming on that why it is preferred, why we can prefer software, we should know what is the importance and significance of choosing a career. Many of us even don't know this. So first of all, why the choosing a career is important? Career is an essential part of a person's life. Keep it in mind. A phase of life where he wants to pave his life on a path from which he can achieve goals set by him. Everyone has set a goal. So everyone has its own decision of choosing the career. But this must be kept in consideration that the valuable fields that are the booster in the current era and in the future must be selected only. The career must be chosen in a way that can design a bright future of that person because you get chance once in your life. So you should try your best to avail. Now we are coming on the main part that after the significance of after explaining that why career is important, now we are coming on that in the career what should we choose. And we are talking about software, how software is useful in career planning. We are going to talk on that. Field is incredibly broad. No doubt, the field for a software engineering is too broad. It also encompasses a variety of roles related to every department of system and application. This feature of broadness enables a person to work in the desired area or field which interests him the most. I am clearing it to you with the help of an example. It will be more easy for you to understand. Some software engineers spend their days in building computer system. Both are software engineers in the example, but the work is different. How? The direction is same, the work is different. Some software engineers spend their days in building computer system. Others, with the help of their talent, create websites, web pages, or they enhance the security system of a company. Direction is same, work is different. This is the broadness. Then it's you enjoy teamwork. Teamwork is one of the most significant and the most important part of an occupation. Teamwork. Being a software engineer, you work in teams rather working individually. A bank person, a person who is in bank, in hospital, or as a teacher, the work he is given, he's gonna do that. He can't go here and there. If he's said to take a Urdu period, he's gonna take Urdu, not maths. But working in team creates understanding, teamwork, and fraternity. And software engineering gives you this chance. Next is initial pay is heavy. The starting pay means without experience, if a person is working without experience, his initial pay is heavy. Let's think about Pakistan. A person who has done graduate, he is getting 76,900 rupees, who has no experience. But in software engineering, he's getting 76,000 initial. A person who has done masters, he's getting 1,23,000. A person who has done PhD, he's getting 1,63,000. A country like Pakistan is offering a high amount. On the date of 2020, it's offering you this much. So it means the software is expanding its roots day by day, minute by minute. If you talk about European countries, United States, $66,900 for the one who is graduate only. For the one who is masters, it's $91,600, and the one who is PhD, $1,18,000. You will not see a decline in the income. You will see a raise. A huge income is gonna raise up rather than declining. You can see Germany as well. Now, if you take all these occupations except software, leave software and take all the occupations and place those occupations in a line with respect to income, you are gonna find that the average income of all those occupations except software, the average income of all those income in a year is $51,960. $51,960. But pays for those in software engineering is double of $51,960. It's double. Really, it's double. Even the starting pay of a software engineer in Pakistan is roughly 86,000. Roughly 86,000 with 0% experience. If he is 86,000. So if you are keen to participate in a career that can quickly take you to a six-figure range of income, software engineering is highly praisable. If you want to go on a six-figure range by fair means rather than unfair means, you can choose software engineering. Every person wants his life to be set. Obviously, he needs a good income as well. So this point is a booster for the youth. Now coming upon continuous learning opportunities in every field except software. Once again I will say except software. In every field promotes same kind of work as others. Like I talked about banking area, medical, administrative, etc. But it's only software engineering that in every next step, in software engineering, in every next step, it gives you a bunch of learning opportunities. The question comes, how software gives us a bunch of learning opportunities, why not others? Because constant change in technology and software is an amazing opportunity that keeps a software engineer's mind fresh. This is the basic reason. Last but not the least, getting more creative. Another important point, getting more creative. How you're gonna get creative, this is the question. So we're gonna talk on that how we're gonna get creative. The biggest opportunity of being creative is when you become a software engineer. Solving a problem by coding or designing makes a software engineer creative by mind as well as by techniques. Creativity also comes into play when you are indulged in designing with different techniques. Ways you begin with just a blank white screen and then construct your masterpiece using code and creativity. Starting from a blank screen, and you make a big project. So the concluding our debate, if you're going to conclude it, so how are going to be conclude, how are going to be sum it up? In a nutshell, if we talk about, software engineering is one of the fields that provides you a platform of every kind you want, whether it's teamwork. Every responsible person desires teamwork, whether it's high income so that he can live comfortably. In a nutshell, software engineering is the best and the demanding field all in one that boosts up the person's capabilities and makes him conceptual and creative rather than rectification, rather than learning. You cannot learn in software. Concept, creativity. Use your brain. So it's all till here, guys. I hope you would have liked my today's video. Any question regarding this field or this video, you can comment in the comment box. I hope I've cleared much of the queries of the ones who are confused whether to go in software or any other field. I think I've tried to clear it much. I'm gonna do more on this issue. For more informative videos, kindly subscribe our channel Software World and get updated for more. Thank you.